guys, so today I'm just going to show you how to do that run, which I think has a great sound, especially when you're playing solo piano and you want to create tension leading up into some kind of a one chord or however other ways you want to use it creatively. But it's actually really simple. We're basically just taking a G pedal here, and then we are essentially going up the chord that's a tritone away, a D flat major. But we're just adding some notes, right? So we're basically doing, so we're doing 1, 2, 3, 5. But we're going to start down here with our one finger, our thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're just going to go up. That's basically it, and I hope you dig it. I hope you guys find some really interesting creative uses for it, and feel free to email me if you're interested in Skype lessons, have any questions or comments or requests for future videos. jazzpianoconcepts@gmail.com, jazzpianoconcepts.com. Have fun with it, guys.